Karen, what a fantastic job you did, and Apollo, by far the star of the show, on your video here, teaching different strategies for subtraction. Super well done. It was so engaging and very age appropriate. And your students are going to just love this video. First of all, because it's so much about you being present for them, and it really immediately captured my attention, so I'm sure that it will also capture your students' attention. And you did such a nice job using Apollo and your props, just real life examples, which are really relevant to students in the age group that you're teaching, and also helps them understand some real life applications that they could even think about this at home. And I think it was super well done. You really did a wonderful job with your narration. It was very clear, very easy to understand. And yes, that one video was a little bit hard to understand because I guess you're doing a screen recording. So those are always a little bit challenging, but it was still understandable. I just had to turn the volume up just a tiny bit. You had some really nice music in your opener, and your title was certainly catchy, and I couldn't wait to know who the cracker thief was, so that was really cute. You did a really nice job with the flow and just kept the information rolling in a nice manner. And you set the tone that was very engaging and informal, but you used your inflections appropriately to help the students understand what were the really important points. You did a really nice job teaching at the whiteboard. The only, I would say in the very beginning, was the camera was maybe a little bit too close to you, and so you were kind of cut off, but it's okay. It's still very clearly, you could see the numbers that you were working with. And you also did a really nice job of, cutting between the different scenes, and so that was also super engaging. Let's see, what else do I want to talk about? So basically you incorporated all the elements that we were looking for. I'm glad that you went back and had a script because it was very natural flow the way you spoke. And it came across as that you were well prepared and ready to instruct. The transitions were smooth. You at the end, you gave us some citations for the other materials that you used, and you wrapped up everything very nicely, leaving students ready to take on the challenge of all these different subtraction strategies. So really super well done. I hope you enjoy doing it. I hope that your students enjoy watching this video, and your son did a very nice job supporting you. I know how that goes. I'm sure that he had fun helping you out here. So well done. Thank you so much for putting all the effort into the project.